Hello friends, this is Bhotosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. Today's session we will learn about two DAX functions. One is date, the other one is date difference. So date DIFF. Uh, in my previous video I talked about the use of calendar and calendar auto functions. If you have not seen that video, I would request you to go to my all videos and they can see this. Now today's session will learn about date and date difference function. Let me go to the Power BI. Here I have already loaded the Excel sheet, or I have already connected to the data from Excel and all the columns. Here all the tables are coming. Now in orders table we have ship date, right? So I'll go to data view. So we have order ID, order date, ship date. So what is the use of this date functions? So it will just throw the date of that particular column or the cell. So what I will do is I will create one column, new columns. So this date function will tell you the current date. So I'm just putting current date equal to date. It is asking three information. One is year, month, and day. So now before that you have to create three column. One is for year, one is for month, and one is for day. So what I will do is I will create three columns. One is for year, equal to year, and I will give one date. So we have already ship date, so I will just taking from ship date. So we have order. So you can see the year information. So in this column all the year from ship date is created. So if this is for year, this is year column. Now I will create another column for month. Month one equal to month function. Same shipping date I will give. So o- orders, and we have ship date. We have ship date. Remember this order is the table name and this is the column headings. So this columns is present in orders table. Now bracket close, enter. Here you can see the month information came. So 7 stand for July, then December, 11 is November. So like that it's coming. So now a year is created, month is created. The another one is you have to create the day. So I'm just putting, I'm writing day 1 equal to function of day. So day function equal to day. Second day. Then I have order ship date. Close the bracket, enter. The other column is created day. So this is day information, like we have 30 days or 31st day for any month. So that day is available here. Yes. Now we have three columns. One is for year, second one is for month, third one is for day. Next step is use the date function. So I'll just create one more column, and here I'm use the date function. Date 1 equal to date. Just to wait for some time. Date year, month, and day. Here I'm putting the year. So year is year 1 column, function of year 1 comma orders. We have month comma orders. We have day. Now close the bracket. So in the date function we have three information. One is for year information, second one is month, third one is day. And this order is nothing but the tables. So within these tables we have three columns, and enter. So this date column is created, and in this date we have 22nd July 2019. So we have date, we have month, and we have year information, and this also will come by default. So it is so this is what the date function. Now we'll do the date difference function. How to do that? And what is the use of date difference function? To know the difference between two date in terms of month or in terms of day. So you can able to know, suppose you have two dates, one is 2020, another is from 2021. So what difference you have from first date to the second date? It may calculate the year, it may calculate the number of days, or it may calculate the number of months based on your definition. So let us draw that date difference. So for that you have to create new column, and here you have to put the date difference. I want to know equal to, we have date difference function. So there are three parameters here: date 1, date 2, and interval. So let us do the two date here. One is order date and the ship date. So if we want to know the difference between the ship date and order date, then you will know how much time it is taking. Based on that, you can also improve your day of shipping or the time of shipping, right? So that's what you also you have to analyze that. It should not be take more than 6 days or 7 days as per the policies. Then you can able to track those information here. So date difference is nothing but to know about uh, nothing but you have to know about the difference between two date. So here I've selected two date. One is orders. So order date, order date, and second one is date two is ship date is order date, ship date. What will happen here? Here we have an error because the interval will not given. Now you have to give an interval. Yeah. Suppose you want to know the difference in terms of month or quarter or date. So I want to know the number of days it is taking from shipping or from ordering to shipping. That's why I'm giving day. Day. So comma day. So I want to know in terms of the number of days. So I'm just putting day here, and you can able to see number of days here, date difference. It's 5, 4, 4, 5 like that. This is taking 6 days. Now imagine if you're able to find something called 10 or 15 days or 20 days, then you have to improvise your shipping to order date. Based on that only, you have to the data analyst only have to tell those things that out of 100 order. So the data analyst will able to know or able to improvise the number of days. They can able to tell you that out of 100 orders, 10 orders it took more than 20 days, or 5 orders it took more than 10 days. So this column containing date difference, and you can able to find the number of days it is taking from ordering to shipping date. So now the role of the data analyst is to know how many orders have how many orders is taking more than 10 days or more than 15 days. So based on that, you can improve your shipping policies or shipping date. Based on that, you can improve your operations so that it should not take more than 5 or 6 days. So here, this is the main agenda of using this DAX function in Power BI. So now you can able to understand how to use this date function and how to use this date difference function and what is the use of it. uh, that's what these two functions you can able to understand, and I hope I can able to make you understand about these two functions and what is the application of this. So thank you so much for watching this video.